Hi everyone, my name is Xiaoxiao Han. I'm the co-founder of OncoGone. We are developing a better chemotherapy based on a novel hydrogel formulation invented at the University of Wisconsin. Our focus is chemotherapy for one of the deadliest cancers, brain cancers. Current standard treatment for brain cancer is surgery followed by chemotherapy or radiotherapy. For most patients, surgery can't remove all the tumor cells, so chemotherapy plays a critical role in the treatment. However, options for chemotherapy for brain cancers are severely limited due to the blood-brain barrier. Most chemo drugs cannot reach the brain through the bloodstream due to the blockage of this barrier. In addition, even the very few chemo drugs used for brain cancers facing the challenges of patient drug resistance. For example, at least 50% of patients with glioblastoma, the most common brain cancer, develop resistance to the first-line drug temozolomide. To address these challenges, here comes our solution, ComboGel. It is hydrogel to be directly implanted to the brain with two potent chemodrugs, paclitaxel and rapamycin, which have been used in treating other cancers but not in brain due to the lack of appropriate delivery approach. Also, ComboGel is thermosensitive. ComboGel addresses the challenges faced by the current brain cancer chemotherapy because first, it overcomes the limits of blood-brain barrier by directly delivering the drug to the brain. In addition, our formulation is more effective because the two chemodrugs have synergistic effects on various tumors, including glioblastoma. Also, it can potentially reduce patients' resistance because the two chemodrugs kill cancer cells via different mechanisms. It can also be easily injected by a syringe and form a gel in the patient because it is liquid at room temperature and forms a gel and gets warmer at body temperature. Compared to other local treatments, such as Glidel wafer and nanoparticle-containing hydrogels, ComboGel offers a better solution because, first, it is more effective than single-drug treatment. Second, compared to rigid shapes of wafer and scaffold, ComboGel is flexible and can easily fit inside of different shapes and sizes. Also, compared to drugs with nanoparticles, ComboGel has a simpler formulation for easy scale-up and uniformity control. The initial formulation is protected by a patent exclusively licensed from WOF. We are also preparing new patents to cover the optimizations we have done. In a freedom to operate study, we didn't find any blocking IP since the patents covering the individual drugs and gel backbones have all expired. The total addressable market includes cancer patients treatable by paclitaxel and rapamycin combination. A number of studies suggested that this drug combination is a potent treatment for various solid tumors, including those in breast, ovary, prostate, pancreas, etc. In particular, ComboGel offers an effective treatment for solid tumors that cannot be completely removed by surgery or those at inoperable locations. The serviceable addressable market is patients with brain tumors, which face unique challenges that can be effectively addressed by ComboGel. Our initial target market is glioblastoma, the most common and deadliest type of brain cancers. Although the patient number is relatively small, the market potential is big. It is expected the market for glioblastoma drug will be $3.3 billion globally by 2024. We plan to develop the glioblastoma pipeline toward FDA approval. Upon completion of phase 1 clinical trial, we expect the ComboGel to have sufficient validation data to de-risk the technology and increase the company's value, and we will seek acquisition by a bigger pharmaceutical company to perform future clinical trials. We expect to reach this milestone by 2024 and would need to raise a total of $7 million investment, including equity investment and non-dilutive grants. In addition, with the validation data, we or the potential acquirer will be able to out-license the technology for treating other types of cancers. Our management team includes Xiaoban Xin and myself. Xiaoban is a patent attorney with more than 10 years experience in biomedical research. He has helped a lot of biotech companies with patents, tech transfer, and fundraising. I'm experienced in business strategies and sales marketing and working full-time managing the company. Also, we are supported by a group of advisors with various experience, including Dr. Glenn Cohn, a professor at the University of Wisconsin, also an internationally renowned expert in drug delivery formulations, Dr. Hyuna Cho, a co-inventor of combo gel, also a graduate from UW and expert in drug delivery. Our advisors also include experts in clinical trials of hydrogel-based therapeutics, biotech entrepreneurs, and technology transaction attorneys and accountants. This is our offer of a safer and more effective chemotherapy. Please contact us if you have any questions. Thank you for your attention.